Hello, this is Frank from CADTALK. Are your engineering and manufacturing teams wasting hours or even days manually entering data into Acumatica? That information already exists in your CAD system, so why spend countless hours exporting spreadsheets from Inventor, copying, pasting, and re-importing that same data into Acumatica? You end up with two screens open, manually comparing and reconciling every change for new or existing parts. It's time-consuming and error-prone. What if you could send that BOM directly from Inventor into Acumatica with the push of a button? That's where CADTALK comes in. CADTALK provides a pre-built, configurable integration between Autodesk Inventor and Acumatica. It extracts data directly from Inventor, connects with Acumatica, and reconciles everything. Whether you're dealing with long lead time items, engineering changes, or new product releases. As you can see here, I've loaded an Inventor assembly into CADTALK. The engineering workbench lets me review everything before sending it to Acumatica. The interface is color-coded for clarity. Red icons show new parts. CADTALK will create these in Acumatica. Green icons indicate existing parts with no changes. And yellow icons highlight existing parts with changes to review. With a glance, you can quickly see where and what your changes are. No more spreadsheets, no more stare and compare, no more manually checking items one by one. Clicking a part shows exactly what changed in the panel on the right. I can choose which version to keep and update in real time, right inside the CADTALK interface. Once I've reviewed everything, like changing quantities in yellow here, or adding these new parts labeled in red here to the BOM, I just hit Save. CADTALK then automatically updates Acumatica with all new parts, BOMs, and changes. What used to take hours or even days now takes just minutes. Instead of wasting time exporting spreadsheets, writing macros, or using custom scripts, CADTALK reconciles everything directly, quickly, and reliably. Just like that, you'll see everything turn green, ready in Acumatica. Now I'll switch over to Acumatica so you can see the results. Here in Acumatica, you can see the new item created by CADTALK, complete with operations, routing steps, and all the metadata needed for a production-ready bill of material. So, whether you're using Inventor, as we saw today, SolidWorks, or any CAD, PDM, or PLM system, CADTALK makes it easy to reconcile changes with a live, bi-directional integration between your CAD system and Acumatica. If you have questions or want to see how CADTALK works for your specific manufacturing needs, go to cadtalk.com/demo, and our team will build a personalized demo just for you. Happy integrating!